my name is Akilito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Happy Birthday to You. First, I'm going to explain the chords, which is very easy because there are only 3 chords in this song. So I think this is the song for beginners. And also I will teach you how to play the introduction part. I arranged it so that you can play it like the pianos. So I'm going to teach you that later in a video. Anyway, let's get started with the chords. First chord you need to know is C. With your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom string, the 1st string, okay? That's C. The next chord you need to know is F. With a point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string from bottom, and with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. It's 4th string actually, anyway, that's F. The last chord you need to know is G. With a point finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with the middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string, and with the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's G. So basically that's the whole chord you need to know. So now I'm going to explain the strumming pattern of this song. First, okay, now I'm going to explain the strumming pattern of this song. So as an example, I use C, the chord C, okay? This is a chord. Yeah, okay, let's get started. The strumming pattern is like this. So it's gonna be like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So I will show you how it works. Happy birthday to you. Like this. That sounds beautiful, right? So let's practice. When you go down, you have to play like this, okay? Like with, you know, this movement, not just wrist. Use whole arm, okay? Not just wrist. That sounds horrible, so just use the whole arm to play downstroke. And when you go up, the same thing. With your flashy part of your point finger, you just touch the strings. Then that sounds beautifully. So, down, up, goes up. So if you are very beginner and you can't do these, strumming patterns, then I think you have to do like down, down, down. It works too. I will show you. Happy birthday to you. See, it works too. Down, down, down works too. So yeah, if you want to play like that, that's fine too. So now I'm going to explain the introduction part, the fingerstyle part of the song. So it goes like this. Okay? So in order to tell you the exact finger, positions, I'd like to use numbers. For example, if this is a chord I want you to play, I'm gonna say 0, 0, 0, 3. Because, here on the bottom string, it has fingers on 3rd fret, so we're gonna say 3. Because and these fingers doesn't have any fingers on a string, so we're gonna say 0, 0, 0. Okay. The next, in order to tell you the notes, each individual note, I'm gonna use numbers as well. For example, this note It's on the first string of the 7th fret. So I'm gonna say first 7. Fret first. No, sorry, string first. Then I'm gonna say the fret number. Okay. So that's how it works. The first chord you need to know is this one. 7, 7, 8, 10. Okay. And first you have to play like this. Okay. Goes like this. So first, pluck the third string, third, twice, and strum. Then put your pinky off, so it's gonna be first 7, then second string. So I'm gonna slow it down. Then this is the one you learned, G, and then this chord, this note, first 8, twice, then so this chord with a point finger on the bottom 2 string of the 3rd fret, and with a pinky on the first 7. Strum and take it off. Play first 3. Then this chord 0, 2, 3, 5. That's G, by the way. G, C. So that's the tutorial part. Now please take a look, me singing the happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or recommendations or any requests of the songs, please write down in the comment section down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is the hidden video of the video. I really wanted to talk about the happy birthday to you copyright issue. Actually, it has been copyrighted until 2016 in the United States, until 2017 in European Union by Warner Chappell, which is the global publishing arm of Warner Music Group. And they reported that they have been making more than $2 million a year in royalty by sending out letters whenever it discovered the song being used in films or public performances or TV shows. So they're making a lot of money actually. But finally, the lawsuit concluded that it has to be in public domain, as it is the most sung song in English language. It is actually recognized as the most sung song in English language by Guinness World Records in 1998. Right now it's in public domain, so you can make, any covers or any kind of arrangement to it, because it's copyright free. That's why I made this tutorial. I don't have any fear about copyright issue for this song because it's on public domain. Thank you for watching the hidden video. I think I'm gonna continue with this hidden video if I have some topics I want to talk about. So stay tuned. Bye bye.